Hey everybody, this is Trucker Matzy. We are back here on the channel, but we're doing a little something different today. I got something in the mail. Sm7B by Shure. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, and we're going to do a compare and contrast from the ZOTAC 935 and different type of microphone too. So we're gonna just have some sound differences. We're gonna take a look at this, and this be my future streaming mic. So let's get out of here. All right, guys, we're gonna see what is in here by sliding this through. I think it just slides right out. There we go. Open up this little ASMR. I had to do that. All right, so what's in the box? You got little cardboard thingy, a sticker, nice, couple pamphlets, I'm sure, nice little metal thingy. And of course, oh, this thing is heavy. Let's see what this other stuff is first. Oh, little strap thing for your cord. There you go. And pop filter. Nice. That's pretty thick. Huh. Can't really tell, but it's kind of trying to get a good, can't really tell, but anyways, so that's that. Anything else in here? Oh yeah, a little adjustment thing, or not, a whatever, stuff and things. Okay, so that's just a bigger one if you want to go bigger. There we go. So this thing will just, you know, go right into your little deal right here, and you just plug in. Nice. Trying to figure out. Let me get my phone and see if I can get some better lighting on this, shall we? So yeah, that's kind of, the black on black is kind of hard to see everything, but there we go. And all right, so let's go ahead and first we're gonna do a test with this microphone here, and then we're gonna hook this one up, do the same stuff. All right, so here we are on the Sennheiser 935. I'm thinking I'm saying that right. I don't know. Sometimes these brand names are so hard to say. Anyways, so I'm going to do a clip here. I'm going to do the clip following with the Shure, and then I'll do my little review after that word. So let's go ahead and get this thing going. Test. 1, 2, 3. How about those trees? Test. 1, 2, 3. I forget the other part I said, but buckle the tree. What? Guys, this is obviously the Shure Sm7B. I really like how much it picks up. I don't have to be like I don't have to eat it like this. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All that stuff. I guess that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, drop a like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. Join Matzy Convoy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Turning on that notification bell so you never miss a future video on the channel. With all that, have yourself a wonderful day. Guys, later. Bye!